Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss exercise 6.3, question number 8. So in question number 8, it is given that E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F, so that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So here ABCD is a parallelogram, and given that E is a point on the side AD produced. This one is AD now, extended AD. AD is produced to E and join BE, and given that BE intersects CD at point F. So here in parallelogram ABCD, BE intersect CD at F, and to prove, we need to prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. We need to prove that ABE and CFB are similar. So here, since ABCD is a parallelogram, so we can say that these angles are equal, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and these two angles are equal, alternate interior angle. So by AA similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So proof from triangle ABE and triangle CFB, we can say that EAB, angle EAB is equal to angle BCF, and the reason is opposite angles of a parallelogram. And the next one is AEB is equal to angle FBC, and the reason is alternate interior angle. So by AA similarity, we can say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So question number 8 is complete. So question number 9 is homework for you. Okay, let's discuss question number 10. So in question number 10, given that CD and GS are respectively the bisectors of ACB and EGF, such that D and H lies on AB and FE of triangle ABC and EFG respectively. That means there are two triangles. This one is ABC and next one is FEG. And CD and GF are bisectors. So this one is CD, this one is GF. And given that ABC and FEG are similar, given that these two triangles are similar, so given triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG. So if these two triangles are similar, then all angles are equal, angle A equal to angle F, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle Z. So in triangle ACD and triangle FEG, So ACD is equal to FGH. Why? ACD and FGH. So we know that ABC and FEG are similar triangles. So since these two triangles are similar, so angle C equal to angle Z. Now given that CD and GH are bisector, therefore these two part also equal. And reason is CD and GH are bisectors. Next, angle DCB equal to angle FGH. DCB equal to FGH. So same reason CD and GH are bisectors. So angle A equal to angle F and no need to write this one, easily we can prove that. Since we need to prove that these two triangles are similar, so ACD, FGH and these two angles are equal, already given. Angle A equal to angle F. Angle A equal to angle F. This one is, we can say, given. So by AA similarity, ACD and FEG are similar. So since similar, so we can say that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. So first part is complete. So next one is also same. So by using same method we can prove that these two triangles are similar, and third one is also almost same as question number 1. So number 2 and 3 is homework for you. Thank you. And if you have any doubt regarding this question number 8 and 10, then you can ask me. Thank you.